What's the difference between a twin-cylinder engine and a three-cylinder engine? Which one should you buy? Today, we select two machines here. This one equipped with a gasoline two-cylinder engine. And this one, you see, equipped with a three-cylinder engine. So, today we will show you the difference between them. About the speed, the digging ability, and maybe the lifting force. And this machine, the weight is around 1.1 tons. And this one, two-cylinder engine, this one is around 800 kilograms. So later, we will show you the difference between them. Okay, let's go. Okay, so let's take a look. This machine, this two-cylinder machine, and look up here. This is a hydraulic oil fan, and it has the dust cover. And let's see the engine equipped with 润通 gasoline engine, two cylinders, and here is the gear pump, two gear pumps, and two valves. Here, and here is hydraulic oil tank, battery, electric battery here, and okay, and it's the one way out, and let's take a look here. The oil pipe, it has two clamps here, so I think it's make sure when the machine works, can get great stability. All right, and here's the operation. This machine is mechanical operation here. Mechanical operation also have the dust cover here, and easy to operation. Okay, let's see this one. This big monsters equipped with LiuGong three-cylinder engine, diesel engine, and it's around 25 horsepower, three pumps, three valves here, and let's see the oil pipe here. Look over here. Let's see the oil pipe. Outside it has the rubber rings, effective prevent aging of the pipe. And see the pins. Each pin has a bolt here, right? And let's see the operation. This one equipped with the pilot operation, quite easy. And oil tank and hydraulic oil tank got the lock to make safety. Let's see the bucket. The bucket capacity around 0.15 cubic meters, and the lifting force, I think, is around 700 kilograms. This one, double way out. All right, so this one, the small one, also got the bucket around 0.12 cubic meters, and the lifting force is around 400 kilograms. 400 kilograms, this one. Okay, now let's show you how does it work. So let's turn on the engine, ready to go. guys. Alright guys, now I'm gonna sharing my feeling. And first, let's say this machine, the maximum loading height is around 2.1 meters. And for this one, it's around 2.7 meters. And I think if you do some normal jobs like farm, home, garden, so this one is enough with twin-cylinder engine. And if you need to do some large construction, you need to choose this one with 3-cylinder engine. Alright, so much for today. And if you're interested in the loaders or maybe mini excavators, you can contact us and you can leave the message here. Thank you so much.